Generally, after a year, you're going to want to use some sort of cleaning solution, be it our Olympic Deck Cleaner or some other type of cleaner. But the Olympic Deck Cleaner is designed to remove any contaminant on top of the surface. It's also going to remove any of the dead wood fibers. It's going to take off any mold and mildew, and it's really going to open up the pores in the wood to allow the stain to penetrate. And that's really what you're trying to do, is to get the stain to penetrate.
So does it just spray on?
It does spray on. You can spray it on, brush it on, roll it on. You can really put it on in any way.
Okay.
What we do recommend, though, is if you do have any kind of, prized petunias or flowers that you're really proud of around your deck, cover them with a plastic tarp just to make sure that you're not going to damage them, because some of them are pretty delicate because it is a little corrosive. Once that is done, you're going to want to give it a good sand with a 60 or an 80 grit sandpaper. You don't have to get down on your hands and knees. You don't have to get every little nook and cranny. All you're doing, again, is you're opening those wood pores.
So I'm going to spray the cleaner on.
Yes.
Do I wash that off?
So you spray the cleaner on, you let it sit for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
And then you're going to wash it off.
With just a water hose?
Just a regular hose, no pressure wash.
Yeah.
We're going to let that dry.
Okay.
And we're going to give it a sand with a good 60 or an 80 grit, again, to open up those wood pores even more so we get maximum penetration. Okay? Once that's done, blow it all off, get it nice and clean, and you're good to put your thin coat of Olympic semi-transparent on top.
Okay.
Okay? So once you notice that product is starting to peel off after a few years, you want to do what's called a maintenance coat. Okay? So if you see some spots that are really peeling off really bad, you're going to really want to sand them, clean them really well, and you'll be able to touch those spots up, providing that you don't overlap too much onto the existing product, because then you'll get a little bit of a darker area. Okay? If it's peeling off everywhere, well, now we should really think about doing the whole thing again. Again, we'll do the water bead test. We'll make sure that the water's penetrating into the wood, and then we can give it a good clean, a good sand, and we can go over top of it.